Hello, right? We have built the new Messenger functionality out, which is the first stage of our what we're calling the Heuristic Conversation Model. And what it allows you to do is, rather than what a lot of the CRMs for Messenger do out there, which is just building you a linear funnel, we've gone with a tagging approach. Now, there's several reasons for this. Now, one of them is um, life and business is far more complicated than just a linear funnel. If you give someone one status, then you've got a problem. I mean, I see a lot of the CRMs and there's like they'll have a status of friend, and it's like once you give somebody a friend status, you can't put through your funnel, which is not how things work. Your friend might decide he's interested in your product, and then you need to do that. Okay. You could have somebody that's in a mastermind. Yeah, you could be in a mastermind with someone, and they could be a prospect, or you could have someone that's in one of your lower tier offers that's a prospect for a higher tier offer. The options are endless, and so a linear status doesn't really make sense. And the other thing that tags allow you to do is it allows you to build up a more complete picture that you can see just at a glance about your prospects. Yeah, you might target people that have specific interests that you can talk to them about. There might be people that are interested in golf. You connect with a lot of people that are interested in golf, and you can tag them to say the ones that are interested in golf. And then if you have some golf news or something interesting to share, you can just filter the ones that are interested in golf and just quickly go through, start a conversation, and just be a human, yeah, which is what a lot of messenger scripts and a lot of messenger conversations are missing. And it's because they're trying to go through this linear scripted funnel of into the top of the funnel. Are you interested? Can you afford it? Do you want to call? Do you want to sign up? Yeah. So yeah, that's why we went with the tagging approach. Okay. So up here we got this operates as both the search bar, but also the method for creating new tags. Yeah, let me just have a look. This is used for managing your tags. So let me get rid of some of these tags. Let's go to golf. Let's get rid of manage. There we go. So we got rid of those tags. You can see it reflects there. So if I wanted to create a new tag, I can just create the tag golf there. You can see it's appeared there at the bottom now. And I could say, okay, Bartek plays golf, Wes plays golf, Rob plays golf, Jacob plays golf. Okay. And now if I click on there, that filters all the people, and it'll keep filtering through my list looking for people that I've tagged as golf, yeah? Now, the beauty of the tag system, as I said, is I could create a second tag now. Let's say I'm doing a couple's golfing holiday, okay? So I could say, okay, Wes he's married, Rob's married, yeah? Now, if I select that, it filters on both of those two criteria. Yeah. So when you build out your dialogue tree, you could want to connect with people, let's say, that are in your group, that have been through your lead magnet and that are interested in your offer, but you're not interested in talking to people that are just in your group because you're going to be sending them a different message and dealing with them in a different way. So you can filter them based on these multiple tags. Yeah. And it works really well. The way that it's doing this. Okay, so let's just remove those. Okay, we've changed the follow-up tags as well. So, so follow-up. The way it works now, it's a separate tag. You can't manage it. You can't remove the follow-up tag. You can select it. So if I do follow-up now, okay, let's say I'm going to follow up with Bartek on Monday and check what he thinks. Okay. What that does now is that gives him the follow-up tag and it moves him out of my conversations. Yeah, so I won't see it. Okay, I've dealt with the conversation. I've messaged him. Unless he messages me back, if he messages me back today, it will pop back into my conversations. Yeah, and I'll then get the chance to respond to him and potentially flag it again for a follow-up or give him new tags, whatever, however the conversation progresses. But if I do want to check on my follow-up conversations, I can just click the follow-up tag and it just brings it back up and shows, yeah, here you go. There's people that you're planning to follow up with, yeah? And if I click on the follow-up again, I can check the notes I can check the date. We'll probably change this so that that's just a mouse over that brings up your notes. That'll probably come in a later version, so you can just see, hey, follow up. What does it say? Yeah. So yeah, that's the Messenger tagging system. If you're using any other kind of Messenger CRM, they should hopefully have some sort of export for your data, and you can put your linear tags into the Organize sheet, and it'll just automatically read it all, get it set up for you. Give us a shout if you've got any problems with that. But yeah, I'm totally convinced that this is a far better way of managing Messenger. It's very powerful. This isn't obviously I've loaded a blank spreadsheet. I've already categorized all my people. I've got 2 offers, so I've been able to put who's clients, who's prospects in both my different offers, and I can filter those and cross-reference and have the conversations that I need to. Might have people for follow-up so that I can go and chase them on the day that I've set up. And it's just, it's really, I've been using it now for about a week while we've been bug testing it. It's totally changed the way that I look at Messenger, totally transformed the way that I'm able to deal with conversations, and the way that I can look at people and at a glance get those headline notes about people. That just puts me on the path to say this is what I want to be saying to people. And then obviously once we bring in the text snippets that are predefined, allowing you to to drive conversations forward without having to think about it too much, the productivity is going to go through the roof for Messenger marketing. Okay, so there you go. Any questions, any problems with it, give me a shout. Thank you.